Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today let's make a walk-in video look aesthetic with VN application for your Instagram Reels purposes. So you just need to open your VN application on your phone. Perfect, and then you just need to create a new project by tapping this plus button. Click this new project to create a new project, and then you just need to add the video that you want to edit here, video of you that walking. Just tap it and add it into the project. Now I already got this video. Also, the next we need to do is just go adjusting the speed for this video first. So you just need to take a look on this side. There could be a speed option, just tap on it. You know, there could be like a lot of dots here, so you can adjusting the point where do you want to make it fast and when do you want to make it slow. I would like to make it slow from this point. You can track it even into the left side, so you can get the earlier point to make it slow. You can also get this slower and just make it going normal in the end. So this is what we got. Or you can make it fluctuative by just go drop it here. Whenever she's turning, I would like to make it slower, but then whenever she's back, I would like to make it like faster. So this is what we got. Perfect. And then you can just adjusting to what you need here. Correct. And then just go click this checklist button, and the next thing you need to do is just go adding the musics right here by tapping the dust, and you can create a new musics. And then you just need to find the musics from the video, or you can also go into your iTunes or the music collection that provided by the VN application here, and then you just need to tap one of the musics that you want to use, and then just go tap use and go click this checklist button, and you already got what you are needed for this video. Don't forget to adjusting the duration of the music too, so that they will be going nicely with the picture or the video. And this is what we got, guys. I want to make it. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.